In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently bulk edit your product prices on Fresha. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be a pro at making these adjustments in just a few simple steps. First, let's begin by navigating to the Fresha dashboard. You'll want to be sure you're logged in and ready to access the various features available to you. Once you're on the main dashboard, turn your attention to the menu on the left side of the screen. You should see a book icon labeled Catalog. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will take you into the section where you can manage all your products and services. Now that you're in the Catalog section, you'll see another menu on the left labeled Products. Click on this to access a list of all the products you currently manage in Fresha. This view is invaluable, giving you a clear overview of what you offer, complete with prices and stock levels if applicable. With the list of your products in view, you'll notice checkboxes beside each product entry. These will allow you to select the products you wish to edit. Click the checkboxes next to the products you'd like to adjust. This is particularly useful if you're dealing with seasonal changes, promotional discounts, or any strategy that requires multiple updates at once. After selecting your desired products, look to the right side of the screen for the Bulk Edit button. This button is your gateway to making simultaneous changes, so click it to open up the options for bulk editing. Once you click Bulk Edit, a menu will prompt you to choose which aspect of the products you want to alter. For our example today, we'll be focusing on editing the retail price, although you have options like adjusting the supply price as well. Retail price changes are common for discounts, promotions, or inflation adjustments, so let's proceed with that. With the retail price selected, you'll need to decide on the amount by which you want to adjust the price. Typically, the adjustment is done in percentage. Enter the percentage that reflects the change you want to see. For instance, a 10% increase or maybe a 15% decrease, depending on your needs. Once you've entered the percentage, proceed to click the Update button. This action will apply the changes across all the selected products. Fresha will usually confirm the updates to ensure everything is applied correctly. To finalize, you might need to click an Update button once more to save these changes permanently. And that's it. You've now successfully updated the retail prices of your products using the Bulk Edit feature on Fresha. By mastering this feature, you can keep your product catalog fresh and up to date with minimal effort. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out through the comments below.